Very good evening to all of you, my friends. I am your English teacher Shivam sir, and how are you all? Tell me, my dear friends, in comment section that are you practicing daily? Are you reading one page daily? Are you studying? If you are doing all these things, then my dear friends, you are definitely growing from within. And there is nothing better than to grow from within. This is the supreme thing in the world. So here I am again with the another video of this series. You know, my dear friends, we are running a series called Part of a Speech in English with Shivam sir, and this is the video number 5th of this series. So if you haven't watched my last videos, then after watching this video, please go to the playlist and watch the videos. And my last videos were all about noun, pronoun, verb and adjective. Please watch those videos and learn very quickly in a very simple manner that how can we use these things to make our English fluency smart, and also how can we use these things to make our speaking very impressive. So this video is all about adverb. So adverb is a very long topic. It is not easy to explain, but here I am again to clear every doubt of yours. So without wasting any kind of time, let's get started this video. My dear friends, first of all I want to tell you that bookish definition, what the book says about adverb. So my dear friends, book says that adverb is a word which modifies verb, adverb or another adjective. Yes, in simple manner. I want to repeat again this. The book says the adverb is a word which modifies verb, adverb or another adjective or adjective. You can say anything, everything is right. But in my words, I want to say these things in very simple manner. You know, there are 8 kinds of part of speech, and from the 8 kind of speech, you remove 3 things. What 3 things? Noun, pronoun and interjection. I am repeating again, remove 3 things: noun, pronoun and interjection. If you remove these things, so rest 5 part of a speech like verb, adjective and adverb, preposition and conjunction, these 5 things are modified by adverb. So this is the very simple thing. Remove 3 things and rest 5 things modified by adverb. Okay my dear friends, so I hope you are understanding my point. So now time has come to move the kinds of adverb. So my dear friends, there are 9 kinds of adverb. 9 kinds of adverb. Yes, we shall move towards the kinds of adverb, and there are 9. So please be patientful and try to understand every kinds of adverb very concentration mode. So I want to say first kind of adverb, and first kind of adverb is adverb of place. What? Adverb of place. So to use this adverb of place, we have few words like where, somewhere, anywhere, there. Where, somewhere, anywhere, there. If I use these word in a sentence, so I would say that I go there. I go there. So there is a place showing word. You know, there is a place. I don't know really, but there is a place certainly. So this is the use of adverb of place. Moving on to the second kinds of adverb. So it is adverb of time. Adverb of time, and we have again few words to use adverb of time. So the words like before, after, daily, early. Before, after, daily and early. With the help of these words, we use adverb of time. If I use these words in a sentence, so my sentence will be I am reading daily, I am practicing English daily, I am learning English vocabularies daily. Just simple. So these are time showing words. So this is the adverb of time. Moving on to the third kind of adverb. So my actually this is every person's. Okay, this is not mine because language belongs to every person's. So the third kind of the adverb, and it is adverb of number. My dear friends, some people call it adverb of frequency. So both are correct. Okay my dear friends, don't be confused. We can say adverb of number or adverb of frequency. Just simple. So we have again few words to use this adverb of number like once, twice, thrice, again. Yes, number showing, frequency showing. If I use this word in a sentence, so I would say that Radhika Radhika has come here again. Radhika has come here again. So here again is a frequency showing word. So this is the adverb of number or adverb of frequency. So my dear friends, we have another fourth kind of adverb, and fourth kind of adverb is adverb of manner. Yes my dear friends, this is the four kinds of adverb, and it is adverb of manner. So to use adverb of manner, we have again few words to use these kinds of adverbs. Words like fast, slow, loudly or quickly. Fast, slow, loudly or quickly. By using these words, we use adverb of manner. If I use this word in an example, so my example will be Radha is reading loudly. Radha is reading loudly, just simple. So here loudly modifies the way of reading. So this is the adverb of manner. Moving on to the fifth kind of adverb. So our fifth kind of adverb is adverb of degree. Adverb of degree. So my dear friends, we have again few words to use to show adverb of degree. So words like almost, like quite, like to, it is TOO my dear friends, it is TOO. So this is adverb of degree showing words. If I use these words in an example, so my example will be Radha is too tired to run. Radha is too tired to run. So here TOO, to is working as a adverb, is working as a adverb. And what type of adverb? Adverb of degree, adverb of degree. So moving on to the sixth kinds of adverb. So my dear friends, our sixth kinds of adverb is adverb of reason, adverb of reason. Yes, so how can we use adverb of reason? My dear friends, it is very simple. To show reason, we have words like so, therefore, for, etc. If I use these word in an example, so my example will be very trendy example. You read this example in every application. Therefore grant me leave for 2 days. Therefore grant me leave for 2 days. So my friends, this is my example. So therefore, here therefore is showing reasons. So we have done 6 kinds of adverb. We have 3 more kinds of adverb. So please my dear friends, be patientful, don't make a hurry. We will learn every kind of adverb in a very soft and sweet manner. So seventh kind of adverb is adverb of affirmation. Adverb of affirmation. What is adverb of affirmation? If my dear friends, you are saying yes to any person, it means you are showing adverb of affirmation. Words like yes, surely, certainly. Words like surely, certainly, yes, these are adverb of affirmation. If I use this word in an example, so my example will be yes, here I am. Yes, here I am. It means here I am saying positive answers, or I am saying affirmation. I am accepting someone's proposal. So say yes, say sure, or say certainly. This is the adverb of affirmation. So moving on to the eighth kinds of adverb. Yes my dear friends, eighth kinds of adverb. So eighth kinds of adverb is adverb of negation, just opposite of affirmation. Negation. My dear friends, if you are saying no to someone, it means you are using adverb of negation. Words like not and no. Words like not and no we use to show adverb of negation. If I use an example, if I make an example by using these words, so my example will be I have no money. I have no money, or I have no books. If we use not or no in a sentence, it means we are using adverb of negation. So this is the eighth kind of adverb. My dear friends, now we have come the last kind of adverb, and it is the adverb of a relation, or we can say simply relative adverb. Relative adverb, this is a little complex. Yes, because we use, if you are intermediate students, so my dear friends, you are very well familiar with the synthesis, and in synthesis we have a kind of sentence, it is complex sentences. So we use this relative adverb in complex sentences by using adverb clause. So we have relative adverb like where, like whose, like which, like who, etc. If I make an example by using these words, so my example will be, I know the place where he lives. I know the place where he lives. Just simple, my dear friends. Or I can say, this is the place where Gandhiji was born. This is the place where Gandhiji was born. This is a little complex sentence. Yes, my dear friends. This the name of this sentence is complex sentence. I will teach you this part of sentence in our next topic. So we have covered all kinds of adverb. If my dear friends you like this video, definitely, so please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please subscribe this channel Sri Hari Coaching Center to improve your English, to know grammar, and to learn all these things in a practical and theoretical way. On the last note, I want to say a slogan of our channel. The slogan of Sri Hari Coaching Center channel is, the more you practice, the better you feel. The more you practice, the better you will be someday. So my dear friends, if you think that this is the very valuable video for the new English beginners, for the students, so please my dear friends, share this video in your social media group. So my dear friends, love English, like English, and live English. So on this note, bye bye and take care. Thank you.